Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE board examination. So yung problem natin, the growth rate of the bacteria culture is proportional to the number of bacteria present. If a population whose size is initially 100 bacteria doubles every 2 hours, how long will it take for the culture to grow to a size of 5,000 bacteria? So let's solve this problem using conventional solution. So at time 0, we have one bacteria. So let's assume or let's analyze the problem using one bacteria only. After 2 hours daw, yung isang bacteria is magiging dalawa. So magdo-double daw siya. Then after another 2 hours or at time equal to 4 hours, yung dalawang bacteria magiging apat. So, kung 100 bacteria daw yung ating initial size, how long daw or gaano daw katagal in order daw na yung size ng bacteria is magiging 5,000 bacterias. So, formula for the exponential growth and decay. So, population is equal to initial population or P sub 0 times A raised to the power of K times T. So, let's use this formula. The initial size natin is 100. And then, after 2 hours is magdo-double. So, we have 2,000. So, let's substitute these values. P is equal to 200 is equal to P sub 0 is 100 times E raised to the power of K times yung time natin is 2. By simplifying the equation, we will get E raised to the power of 2K is equal to 2. Para mababa natin yung exponent, mag-a-apply tayo ng natural logarithm both side. So, ln of E raised to the power of 2K is equal to ln of 2. So, we have 2K times ln of A is equal to ln of 2. Since ln of A is equal to 1, so we have 2K is equal to ln of 2. So, therefore, K is equal to ln of 2 divided by 2. So, using your calculator, ln of 2 divided by 2, that is equivalent to 0.346. So, yung nakuha nating value ng K, gagamitin natin siya dito sa ating panigbagong equation or K is equal to 0.346. So, hanapin daw natin kung anong time daw na yung bacteria natin, which is initially 100, magiging 5,000. So, therefore, P is equal to P sub 0 natin is 100 times A raised to the power of K, which is 0.346 times T. Then, let's substitute 5,000 to P. So, we have 5,000 is equal to 100 times A raised to the power of 0.346 times T. By simplifying the equation, we will arrive 50 is equal to A raised to the power of 0.346 times T. By applying natural logarithm both side, so we will get ln of A raised to the power of 0.346T that is equal to, which is equal to ln of 50. So that is 0.346T times ln of A is equal to ln of 50. Since ln of A is equivalent to 1, so we have 0.346T is equal to ln of 50. So using your calculator, ln of 50 divided by 0.346. So therefore, yung sagot natin dito is 11.31 hours. So ito yung ating final answer. Another solution naman natin dito is the Caltech solution. So sa Caltech solution natin, punta daw tayo sa mode 3 tapos 5. So mode 3 and then 5. So magkakaroon tayo ng display na X and Y column. Then dito sa ating X and Y column, mag-i-input tayo ng for X column is yung time, and then for Y column is yung population. So at in time 0, 100 yung population. At time 2 hours, magiging 200. So input natin to sa ating calculator. At time 0, yung population is 100. Then at time 2, yung population is magdo-double, so we have 200. So enter EC. Enter natin yung EC. And then, hanapin natin yung time na yung size of bacteria natin is magiging 5,000. So we have 5,000 X hat. Or yung X hat natin is sheep 154. So 5,000, then X hat, that is sheep 15 and then 4. Tapos, equal natin. So we will get a result of 11.29 hours, or this is equivalent to 11.3. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to, and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.